Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि अभी दिवाली का फेस्टिवल बहुत ही पास आ रहा है, तो आज हम देखेंगे दिवाली पे निबंध कैसे लिखते हैं. So, let's start without wasting any more time. The festival Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It is a festival of lights. It is one of the most significant festivals in India. It is celebrated with great devotion across the country. Diwali usually lasts for 5 days. Dhanteras, Kali Chaudash means Choti Diwali, Lakshmi Puja, Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj. The festival has historical and religious significance. Diwali is also a festival of sharing happiness and spreading positivity. The lighting of diyas and the bursting of fireworks are integral parts of Diwali celebration. Homes and streets are adorned with lights, rangolis and decorations, creating a vibrant and joyful atmosphere. It is a celebration of life and hope. It brings people together. Diwali is my favorite festival. So friends, thank you for watching this video. बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नई इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.